did the black parts of the cab on that 4430. It's kind of been an overdue job, but we've kind of been busy doing other stuff. Got that 4440 as you seen in the last video. Been working on it. I've been trying to get the frame sanded on this 4430 before I really started painting. But we got it back together. It runs. Got the injector pump rebuilt. It's good to go. Got a little more horsepower to it. Not much, but a little bit. Hydraulics, we believe we got it completely fixed. And yeah, everything works good there. We hooked it up to the scraper. It lifted it up good. Hooked it up to the dirt scraper we got, raised it up, and it has the bigger cylinders on it, so it's good. And since that everything's good, I got some thinner and wiped it down, painted the black on it. Grandpa got some of that frame paint we used on the Peterbilt and brushed it on there where the fenders go. That way keep them from rusting too bad. Means that's kind of a place for dirt to stay. But yep, that's pretty much all we did today. So I guess we'll see y'all next time. Next video will probably be another painting video this weekend. I'm hoping to get some green sprayed on there. So stay tuned and we'll see y'all next time.